Hello everybody, in this new tutorial video for beginner level in Revit. Today we will talk about how to change the units. So to make it more clear, I will draw a pie. And if you click on the pie, you will see here the length in inches and also the diameter. So if you want to change these units, go to manage, then click on project unit. This window will appear, and there's another way to open this window. By type UN, then it will also appear. Now we will change the length unit and also the diameter. In length, click on length, then from inches to millimeter, and we will choose 2 decimal number as we see here. And if you want the unit to appear, just click on millimeter and OK. Now we change the length. For the diameter of the pipe, we will go to the piping, pipe size, and also same steps, we will repeat them here. OK, then OK. And now if we click on the pipe, we will see here the length in millimeter and also here the diameter in millimeter. Thank you for watching.